Hey, it's Dave with Everyman Driver. If you're thinking about buying a Toyota RAV4, stick around. I'm going to break down the real cost of owning this SUV over 5 years. We're talking about depreciation, insurance, maintenance, loan interest, and fuel costs, the 5 biggest expenses beyond the sticker price. And don't worry, if you're comparing models or trying to avoid overpaying, I'll show you how to check real-time dealer pricing near you with one click at quotes.everymandriver.com. Let's start with the price. A typically equipped RAV4 sells for around $38,000. That puts it in the same ballpark as compact SUVs like the Honda CR-V, Subaru Forester, and maybe even CX-5. These are SUV rivals. If you're leaning toward the hybrid or all-wheel drive models, expect to spend a little bit more. The RAV4 has built its reputation on reliability and resale value, but what does that look like long term? Okay, depreciation. After 5 years, the average RAV4 will lose around $10,000 in value, putting its resale value around $27,500. That's not bad compared to others in the segment. Mazda and Honda models perform similarly, while brands like Nissan and Ford tend to depreciate more. And remember, trade-in values are often lower than market value, so plan accordingly. And if you're buying new, depreciation is inevitable, but you can soften the blow by choosing trims with better resale value, like the XLE Premium or Adventure all-wheel drive. Just a little tip for you. Now let's talk insurance. The national average for a RAV4 is around $2,000 a year, or about $9,600 over 5 years, roughly. This is based on a driver in their 40s with good credit, full coverage, and no claims history. If that seems high, remember, insurance rates depend heavily on where you live, your driving record, and the trim you choose. Sportier trims with more features may cost more to insure. Now here's some good news. Maintenance and repair costs on a RAV4 average just under $2,000 over 5 years. That's one of the lowest in the segment. Toyota's reliability reputation holds strong here. Plus, many new RAV4s come with Toyota Care, which covers scheduled maintenance for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles. In comparison, a CX-5 or Ford Escape might rack up higher costs as they age. The RAV4 keeps it affordable long term. Let's say you want to finance a new RAV4 with a 72-month loan term, 20% down, and 7% APR. You'll spend around $6,600 in interest over 5 years. That's a number you can control. You can improve your credit score, shorten your loan term, increase your down payment, and you could save hundreds, maybe even thousands on financing alone. Now, fuel. That's another major cost. With an average of 31 miles per gallon and 12,000 miles per year on average, expect to spend around $8,500 over 5 years, or $1,700 annually on gas. That's solid, but if fuel savings are your priority, consider the RAV4 Hybrid, which I have, which gets up to 40 miles per gallon, or even the Prius for max efficiency. Still, for a non-hybrid SUV, the RAV4 delivers a good balance of fuel economy and utility. So what's the true cost of owning a 2025 RAV4 for 5 years? $36,643 on average, including depreciation, insurance, maintenance, financing, and fuel. That's pretty competitive for the segment, and it shows why the RAV4 remains a top pick. But remember, these numbers change based on your location, credit, and driving habits. Before you buy, do yourself a favor. See what real dealerships near you are offering right now. Go to quotes.everymandriver.com to check live pricing, compare offers, uncover discounts that you won't find on car shopping sites. It's totally free, no obligation, and thousands of people use this daily. They save some serious money on their vehicles. Don't leave money on the table. Click the link below and start searching. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.